Sa mga amiga, amiod kita singin nilabhanta. Ako ba, ay gina-fold ko lang. Kaya dyan yung kinahanger ko. May gwapa man lang siya, be. Hindi man mo arting ban ako. Basta yan, bala mo sok-sok mo, biskan gusot, sok-sok ya. Ito yung damo ko yung laban. Wala ako pang labag hapon kay naglakat kami sa oldest brother ni John sa Massachusetts. May libre lunch. Wala mo na. Kung libre, bisan layo kataan. Char, char, char. Pati ka na, check lang. Magiging, ano na kami. We need someone to talk to. Lagaw-lagaw, ulit. Lagaw-lagaw. No, di bisan wala pa snow. Bisan wala na snow, I mean. Kamusta ka madaan? Taga-Negros? Thank you. Good morning. Ikaw pangalo ko, bisan sulod balay. Tugnawan ko, guys. So today, just staying at home because may ginahulat kaming bisita. The weather outside is so nice. It's sunny, but it's still cold. It's like, Alexa, what is the weather outside?
The current weather is -3 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun.
It's a negative 3 degrees Celsius outside, so now.
Low of -10 degrees.
So guys, maghalong kamatanan. Bye-bye.